Mo, you have a mining. I have to grant you a mining because you have complied with all the requirements of the law. And I cannot be subject to imandamos if everything is perfect, and you have every right to mine. But in doing so, you destroy the rivers. You destroy the streams from which the poor people fish. Halwan or mudfish, and that is protein for them. Ngayon, makita mo naman, not only Gina Lopez gave you a clear picture of what was happening horrendously. Nakita mo kay Ted Fallion. Yung kay Ted Fallion, talagang nanood ako. 2 beses. And I realized that I have to do something about it as a Filipino. Alam mo,